How to pay with Uzum Wallet. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Log into your Uzum account with your registered phone number or email. Once you are signed in, search for the product you want to buy. When you find your desired item, click on it and select Add to Cart button. After adding all the products you want, go to your cart by clicking on the basket icon at the top right corner. Next, review the items in your cart and click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see several payment options. From these, choose Uzum Wallet as your payment method. Make sure your Uzum Wallet has enough balance to cover your purchase. If required, you can top up your wallet before completing the payment. Once you select Uzum Wallet, confirm the payment. If needed, enter any verification code or PIN to authorize the transaction. After the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message on the website and an electronic receipt will appear in your Uzum account under your order details. Now you know how to pay with Uzum Wallet in Uzum Market. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Uzum Market shopping guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.